Hello, you incredible person. This is Angela Powerhouse Williams. I have a bachelor's degree in finance. I have a master's degree in business, and I also am a certified professional life coach. Today, I'm going to show you how to increase your cash flow by 1,000% every single year. Now, they call me the powerhouse, but they also call me the scalp queen because I know how to grab $100 to $1,000 out the Forex markets. And you know what? You need to know me. But in order to get access to me, you need to partner with us in My Econ. My Econ is a 15-year-old debt-free financial literacy education company. We are based out of Atlanta, Georgia. Why do you need to do this? Number one, you need to tie a home-based business to your income. And number two, one of the fastest and hottest business opportunities that you can have is a personal finance coach, because you need to learn the foundation of how money works, and you need to be able to teach others and your family. So we're going to teach you budgeting, money management. We're going to teach you the tax laws. We're going to teach you how to pay off debt fast. We're going to teach you how to fix your credit and how to build business credit. We're going to teach you everything you need to know about stock investing. You're going to learn how to build your retirement portfolio. You're going to be able to become a homeowner, as well as we're going to show you how you can brand yourself as a personal finance coach and build a six-figure income from the comfort of your home. One of the first strategies that we're going to teach you is how to increase your cash flow. Do you know that 80% of people got their W-4 forms filled out incorrectly? So we're going to show you how to do it, how to fill it out correctly, and we're going to show you how you can unlock an extra $200 to $800 a month and put it back into your paycheck. We're talking about an extra $2,400 to $9,600 cash a year. You see, our business partners, the Reyes family, they cash flow $600 a month back into their paycheck, and they had over $7,200 cash sitting in their bank account. Now you're probably saying, well, if I adjust my W-4, am I going to owe at the end of the year? Well, my answer to you is absolutely not. And here's why. We're going to teach you strategy number two. We're going to show you how to minimize your tax liability. See, most people who play around with their W-4s, they don't have enough write-offs at the end of the year, or maybe they don't have enough children, and they end up owing the IRS. But because you are now a business owner, and My Econ is going to provide you with a sole proprietorship tax status, you're going to be able to take many of your living expenses and convert them into business write-offs. And so we're going to teach you the tax laws directly from the IRS publications. So we're going to show you how to get the home office deduction, how to write off a percentage of your cell phone bill, how to get 50% reimbursement on the meals. You're going to learn how to be able to write off your travel, from the airfare, from the hotel, baggage claim fees. You're going to learn how to get reimbursed 55 cents for every mile that you drive. We're going to show you how you can even write off a percentage of your car note. And my personal favorite is we're going to show you how to hire your kids into your business and to be able to write off up to $12,000 per child. Now, we're going to provide you with this fabulous software called the Cashflow Manager. You can download the app to your phone, or you can access it to your computer. And what it's going to do is it's going to record all your income and expenses, because to be IRS compliant, you have to have a solid record keeping system. And we provide you with that. At the end of the year, this system is going to give you an audit report. You're going to give this report to your tax preparer, and they're going to complete your Schedule C. So on the right-hand side here, you see our business partner. We call him Q. This is his Schedule C. He was able to write off over $5,000 in the home office deductions. He was able to write off over $3,000 in travel. He wrote off over $1,500 in meals. He hired his child into his business, was able to write off another $3,600. He got reimbursed over $7,000 because of his car mileage. And so he was able to write off over $24,000 in expenses, all because he said yes to My Econ and started his home-based business. So what did it look like at the end of the year when he had filed his taxes? Well, here's his 1040. His gross income was about $58,000. But look on line 6. He was able to apply those write-offs of $24,000, and that lowered his adjustable gross income to $33,889. Can you imagine if he didn't have a business? His tax rate would have been 22%. But because he had business write-offs plus the standard deduction, his income went from $58,000 to only being taxed off of $15,889, lowering his tax rate to 12%. He adjusted his W-4. He still got an extra $248 a month from not letting the government keep his hard-earned money, and he still got a federal refund check of $4,000. Now, what did he do with that money? He paid off $11,834 worth of debt. And because he paid down his debt, it lowered his debt utilization ratio, and his credit score increased 65 points to a 718. Now, we're not giving you this money and teaching you how to adjust your W-4 just so that you can have some extra money. No, we want you to change your life. We want you to be able to take that money and be able to get out of debt. So the third strategy we teach you is debt elimination. And so we're going to provide you with some tools so you'll be able to create a budget. You're going to be able to know how much debt you're in. You're going to know exactly when you're going to be debt free. We're going to help you with analyzing your retirement account so you know how much money you need to be investing so that when you retire, you can retire and not worrying about whether or not you have enough money to provide for you through your late years. You know what I'm saying? And so here's what it looks like. We got the Corlez family that was able to pay off over $34,000 in debt in less than 11 months. They were able to become real estate investors, closed on their third house. And then we have Lynette Boswell Vargas. She paid off $38,000 in less than 24 months. She cash flowed over $22,000 and her credit score increased to a 744. How amazing is this? The fourth strategy that we're going to teach you is how to fix your own credit. You do not have to pay somebody $500 to $1,000. We're going to give you everything you need. We're going to give you step-by-step video tutorials so that you know all of the 5 factors that affect your credit. But what we also going to do is we're going to give you the pre-written dispute letters. That's right. We're going to show you how to legally remove any collections, bankruptcy, student loans, any inaccuracies off your credit report. And guess what? It only takes 10 to 15 minutes to fill out the letter and mail it out and see results in 30, 45 days. We're also going to show you how to rebuild your credit with new trade lines. The fifth strategy we're going to teach you in My Econ is we're going to teach you the investment game. And so you're going to know the difference between CDs, money market accounts. You're going to know the difference between an index fund, an ETF. You're going to know the different types of stocks, mutual funds. You're going to know the difference between futures and foreign exchange markets. And we're going to show you how to become a stock investor. And we're gonna step it up a notch, because not only are we going to show you how you can buy stock with as little as $50, but we also going to teach you the fundamentals so that you know how to gauge a company's financial strength, so you'll know whether or not that's a company that you would want to even put your money in. And then I'm going to raise it up more by showing you technical analysis. So I'm going to show you how to read stock charts. I'm going to show you when to buy, so you buying at the lowest price possible. And you're also going to know when to ring the cash register and take your profits. Now, by partnering with the Lifestyle Changers team, you're going to be able to get access to my advanced trading education. And so what that means is that I'm going to show you how to grab $100 to $1,000 a day out of the stock, index, and Forex markets. So I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about candlesticks, candlestick patterns. You're going to get my technical charts so that it gives you an 80% win rate, you guys. You're going to know how to get in and get out every day and grab some money up out that market. And you're going to get all the support and the mentorship that you can ever ask for. So if you've ever wanted to learn how to trade or be a day trader, you're in the right place at the right time with the right team. Now that you have a business, not only are you able to make money by just applying the strategies, but we want you to have more money. You know why we want you to have more money? Because people need to get access to this information. And so guess what? If you decide to share your opportunity with other people and they decide that they want to be a personal finance coach, you can make $25 coach referrals. That's 83% commissions. That means that the company is giving you 83% of the money that they are making. No other company is doing that. And they also allow us to participate in profit sharing. So we get to actually get a piece of the company's revenues, you know? And so we have a monthly residual income program. So you literally can get paid off of every membership that is in your financial coaching network. And so it doesn't matter if you want to make an extra $100 a month, $700 a month, $5,000 a month, $30,000 a month. or $155,000 a month. You can earn this month after month, year after year, even without getting out of bed. I want you guys to know that I am 100% debt free. So my econ is actually funding my retirement. So let me tell you guys, I hit infinity in 6 months. I started with just 5 personal finance coaches, and they built their businesses, and their network is a part of my network. So I was bringing an extra $5,000 a month. I was able to take that $5,000 a month, and I'm able to invest it into a retirement portfolio that is giving me double-digit returns. I'm talking about being able to build a portfolio from $1,000 to over $800,000 in less than 9 years, you guys, just by having this extra cash to be able to invest. And so what we want you to do is we want you to be able to trade on a higher level. So we want to make sure that you get all the money that is available to you. And the great thing about these monthly residual payments, we get to will our business. So if anything was to happen to me, my son is still going to be able to get my monthly payout. Can you imagine making 6 figures from the comfort of your home, and all we do is get paid to show people how to get out of debt and invest? This can be you. You ain't got to work a 9-to-5 job. You ain't got to be in nobody's cubicle. You ain't got to beg nobody for a raise. You can write your own paycheck when you in my econ, and you can be a part of something that can change your community for generations to come. So let me show you what it looks like when you put all the strategies together. So this is Stacy McClaskey. What did she do? She adjusted her W-4. She brought back an extra $1,120 a month back into her paycheck and back into her household, over $12,000 a year, just by telling the IRS, you are no longer getting an interest-free loan off me. I am going to keep my money, and I'm going to direct my money, and I'm finna multiply my money. You see Pastor Josh here. He did the same thing Stacy did. He was able to keep over $12,000 of his income. And because he's using our Cashflow Manager software to track his income and expenses, he was able to lower his tax rate from 22% to 12%, and he still got a tax refund check of $9,634. And you guys, he's been doing this for the past 3 years without selling or recruiting. I'm sitting up here talking about he's cash flow almost $50,000 just by applying the strategies. We got Melinda Tyson, who was able to take her income shift money and stash her cash. So she has a year of her living expenses covered, just in case something happens like the coronavirus. Guess what? She can have a whole bunch of problems, but money is not going to be one. We have Alicia Bodie Edwards that cash flowed $42,000, paid off $12,000 in credit card debt, and it increased her credit score from a 586 to a 756. We got Janelle Burns. She increased her credit score 211 points because she's using our do-it-yourself credit repair system. And now she's at a 762. We got Tanika McGill. She launched her investment portfolio, and she added Apple, Nike, Amazon, AbbVie, Tesla, Facebook. And you already know, chick-ching, she made money all 2020. Even when the markets dropped in March, she's still in the money. We got Stacy McClaskey. I'm telling you, you guys, when she got her income shift, she took these strategies serious. Look at her 6-figure retirement account. Her retirement account made $3,504 in one day. Can you imagine earning an extra 2, 3, 4% a day in your retirement account? A day. You can't even put what bank account, what savings account, they're not even paying you 1%. They're paying you less than 1%. This is what happens when you take control of your money and you direct it. You want to get compound interest working in your favor. And so Stacy is literally getting 2 to 4% compound interest every single day on her money. Now, I always told you that we're going to teach you how to invest in stocks, but because you connected to me, you're going to be able to learn my powerhouse scalp strategy, and I'm going to teach you how to day trade. And so this is Rashad Brown. We call him Tuck. He actually opened up his Ameritrade account. He put $335,000 in there. That's right. He is a millionaire. Even a millionaire is in my econ, because the one thing about millionaires, they never have too much money. They are always interested in adding additional revenue streams to them. And so he did that, and he went through my class. He's applying the strategy, and he is flipping stocks. And guess what? On this particular day, he made over $11,000 in one day. But guess what? In 3 weeks, he has grown his account from $335,000 to $385,000 $49,338 in 3 weeks. See, the game is not just being able to buy stock. The game is being able to have enough money so that your money is compounding at a faster rate. But now that we talked about stocks, we talked about investment portfolios, we talked about flipping stocks. But guess what? What about the futures and Forex market? I want you to be able to earn while you learn. And so here's what it looks like in futures. We had Q, who was able to make $323 in 10 minutes, not 8 hours, 10 minutes. We have Jose Delgado. He made $765 in less than 15 minutes trading gold futures. We got Corin Milan. Corin made $12,000 in 5 days trading the futures market. Now, what about Forex? Because see, all these results, these are real people with real live trade accounts. Ain't no demos around here. So in the Forex market, we have Chevy Giles. She was able to put $150 into her live account, and she flipped it into $800 in 1 hour. We got DeMar Flowers here. He had his $1,000 day trading in the Forex market. We have Atricia Faulkner Thomas. Guess what? She put $500 in her live trade account, and she compounded it to over $1,500 in 1 day. We got Stacy McClaskey. Again, I'm telling you, you guys, she's applying all the strategies. She put $2,000 in her Forex live account, and she flipped it into $6,745 in 5 days. Yes, Forex pays. But you know what it is? It's my powerhouse scalp strategy, because I can get you in the money the fastest. But here's how we break the bank. This is Jose Reyes. And let me tell you something. Jose said yes to my econ 3 months ago. He got into the Forex class and he traded for 2 months. And then he opened up his trade account with $2,000 live. He flipped it from 2,000 to 5,000, and then from 5,000 to 9,500. Then he flipped his account from 9,500 to $68,796. And he did that June 5th, 2020. And then he flipped it from 68,000 to $381,455 in 5 days. I don't think that there's nobody that's trading in the futures market that only been trading for 2 months and flipped 68,000 to 381,000. But guess what? He did it. Jose did it, and he did it in my econ, and he did it using my powerhouse scalp strategy. You need to be here. This is life-changing. He was able to change his life in 90 days. And you are only one decision away to learning everything that Jose knows right now and apply it to your life and get in the right way of money. So what do you got to do? You just got to say yes. And when you say yes, this is what's in it for you. You're going to get a home-based business. You're going to get that sole proprietorship tax status. You're going to get personal and business financial education. You're going to get a debt elimination and budgeting tools. You're going to get a retirement strategist that is literally going to give you a step-by-step blueprint of what you need to do to be able to retire early and rich. You're going to get stock investing education and Forex day trading education. You're going to be able to income shift your W-4, get an extra $200 to $800 back in your paycheck. You're going to learn all the tax advantages of being a business owner. You're going to get the Cashflow Manager software so that you are IRS compliant. You're going to get credit repair education so you can get in the 700, 800 club. You're going to get an e-commerce website that has even more financial services that people can actually purchase from you. Like our do-it-yourself credit repair system, you can sell that to people. You know, we got identity theft protection. We have so many different financial services where you can make even more money. And you can make residual income by sharing this opportunity with other people who want to be personal finance coaches. And I'm going to show you how to brand yourself on social media so that you could become the hunted. I mean, you're going to have people literally jumping in your inbox, asking you, what is you doing and how can I be a part of that? And they're going to be giving you money. You are in the right place. We're also going to show you how to build business credit. You can launch your LLC. I'm telling you that this is the company you want to be in if you want to be financially educated. Okay, you also gonna get access to discount travel, shopping, and eating. It is valued at over $5,000. And it normally costs $99 to join my econ. But you see it, you can get started for $29.95. You can get started for $29.95. And you can test us out for 30 days. And if 30 days we do not put you in the right way of money, you can cancel your membership. But I already know that what we doing ain't nobody else doing. And so to keep your business operating, the monthly cost is $34.95 a month. That's $1.16 a day to have a home-based business, an e-commerce website, a tax shelter, and to be able to generate additional streams of income. Now, I don't know if you've been paying attention to the other Forex education that is out there, but there is no other opportunity that's giving you access to all this information, all this money management, credit repair, and Forex trading for no $34.95. It ain't nowhere. But you can have it when you join the Lifestyle Changers team. And if you say yes, we'll show you how to adjust your W-4, get an extra $100, $600 back in your paycheck in the next 10 to 14 days. You can fund your emergency savings, and then you can fund your trade account, and we're going to show you how to multiply that money. So whoever invited you to this presentation, get back to them and tell them you in. And once you do, they're going to send you their personal link. You're going to sign up. They're going to put you in our training website. They're going to put you in the Forex group, and you're going to learn how to start multiplying your money. I can't wait to partner with you, and I can't wait to see you at the top. You have an amazing day.